Hello and welcome to this setup and customization video for SecureDrive BT. In this video, we will be covering how to enable step-away auto lock. The step-away auto lock will lock the drive when the connected mobile device is moved approximately 10 feet away for longer than 5 seconds. To enable step-away auto lock, make sure that the drive is unlocked and the SecureData Lock app is open. Now, tap the desired drive name and select step-away auto lock. Select yes to confirm. Your step-away auto lock is now enabled. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.